In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-menu items in Wix Studio. Whether you're managing a growing website or just looking to organize a set of related pages, adding sub-menu items can give your visitors an intuitive way to navigate your site. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Wix Studio. Open your browser and navigate to the Wix Studio URL. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, we'll need to access the menu settings, so find your site menu on the main page. It might be located along the top or down the side, depending on your layout. Click on the menu. A drop-down will appear, leading us to the option we need next. Manage Menu. Select this option to be taken to the menu management area where we can start customizing our submenus. Now that we're managing our menu, look for the button labeled Add Item. This is your gateway to creating new menu entries. Click it, and you'll see options to add both main menu items and submenu items. Since we're specifically focusing on submenus today, let's click on Submenu Title. When you do this, you're essentially creating a category or a grouping under which you'll have several related menu items. Submenus help improve user experience by neatly organizing content and making it easier for your visitors to find what they need without an overwhelming amount of choices up front. Once you've selected to add a submenu, it's time to type in the name of your submenu. Think of this as the label that will guide your users to understand what group of links they are diving into. Perhaps it's a products submenu where all your different offerings are listed, or maybe an About Us section that expands to show the history, mission, and team. Whatever you choose, keep it succinct and intuitive, reflecting the content contained within. That's it! By following these steps, you have now successfully created a submenu item in Wix Studio. Submenus not only keep your website looking clean and organized, but significantly enhance navigation, creating a smooth and enjoyable experience for your users. Remember, a well-organized menu can make a crucial difference in how visitors interact with your site, how long they stay, and how likely they are to return. Feel free to play around with various submenu configurations to see what best suits your site's needs. With practice, creating these will become second nature, and your website will benefit from a streamlined, visitor-friendly structure. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Wix Studio.